Hi there! Welcome to ChatDesigner AI Portrait Generator. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating highly customized AI portraits in your preferred style. Step 1. Navigate to portrait.chatdesigner.ai. Alternatively, you can access it via the product dropdown in the navigation bar. Step 2. Upload a selfie. For optimal quality, please use a clear, uncovered, front-facing photo where your face occupies a larger portion of the frame. Step 3. Select your desired portrait style. Upon selection, a prompt will appear in the box below. Simply click the Generate button to proceed. Within approximately 30 seconds, you will receive 2 portrait photos featuring the face from your uploaded selfie. Click on an image to view it in full on the canvas. You can customize the portrait by simply typing the details you want in the prompt box. For example, you can generate a professional photo in a yellow dress, or in the scene or pose you want. Besides professional photos, explore 5 more portrait styles offering endless inspiration, including character, yearbook, lifestyle, headshot, and even the magical journey back to your childhood. You can also enhance your portraits using the canvas tools. Use the retouch tool to paint over areas to replace with an object, or remove the object. You can also change the background to any scene you desire and expand the content of the photo. You can even change the colors of your hair, clothes, or any object within the image. Try it yourself with ChatDesigner's AI Portrait Generator today. Bring to life any portrait style you've dreamed of.